Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials. And in today's video I'm going to be showing us how to like basically add your friend through a QR code on PlayStation 5 instead of like doing it the old traditional way. It's much faster to do it this way. You don't have to do it like the old way. You go up to the name, type it up in the whatever friends list, etc. This is much faster and much easier as well, and I'm just basically going to be showing you how to do that. So all you have to do is first just make sure you're at the home page on PlayStation. Go to your profile, go to your name, click profile, and then you're gonna be right here. It's gonna be this arrow key right here, and then you're just gonna type in share profile, and then basically just click X to enlarge it. And then once you're here, you should be good to go. Now what you can do from here is either take a picture and then go ahead and send it to your friend, and then they'll scan the QR code from their end. It's pretty simple. Or you can also download the PlayStation app as well on your phone, and then you can also scan it from there as well. That's also pretty easy to do. Anyways, but once you do both of those things, you should be good to go, and then you will notice that you have added your friend. And yeah, that is basically it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.